Welcome to Microman, the channel where we look at anything and everything under the microscope. Today we're going to be taking a look at the blueberry. We will be taking a look at the surface and the inside, so we'll make a cut for the surface piece and a cut for the inside. And as always, please remember to subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. We are now under the microscope and we will start by looking at the surface piece of the blueberry. Now, some info about blueberries. Blueberries are a healthy snack and they are known to reduce blood pressure. They contain anthocyanins, which can protect you from heart disease. They contain vitamin C and K, as well as manganese and potassium. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties and supposedly improve exercise recovery so that you can get those gains faster. It is also said that they can improve memory, prevent cognitive decline, and even improve your mood. This lit up circle area is just the top center area of the blueberry that you can see when you hold any blueberry. Just looking at the top, you'll see that circle area. We are now looking at the inside of the blueberry, the piece that doesn't have any peelings on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And I hope to see you next time.